Raffles. Every sneakerhead knows about raffles. And we know the golden rule of raffles. Every raffle is fake until you're the one that wins. Well, I'm reporting live today to say that Finishline and Status Point raffles are real. I might have caught the illest raffle win in my life through a status raffle. And that's really like the last raffle I ever expected to win. And they not new to me. I've been entering them forever. I've never even won a sneaker. But today, we finally crack open the win. That big box you saw on my Instagram, we gonna get to it today. And I ain't even gonna hold y'all no more, man. Let's just cut to the opening, all right? Cut, go. All right, now that we done been through the struggle, we could claim our prize, baby. Whew. I gotta tell you, it still feels crazy that I actually won this. This is probably the most insane raffle win in my life, for real. All right, without further ado, let's open it up. All right, so we got, oh, this is something crazy. Okay, all right. Okay, simple enough. Let's go. Whew. Sheesh. Whew. Wow. All right, let's dive right in. All right, so first we got a ball here. Of course, let's just start with that because that's already out there. And a bag. Oh, a Kyrie bag. I don't think this ball was in this bag, but hey, whatever. You know, it's there. A little deflated, a little dirty. I clean it up. It's okay with me. This is dope. Not really signed, but it's okay. You know, it's just cool. I don't know how many of these are out there. I'm gonna start Googling now, find out. But this is dope. Got 813 on there. I don't know what that's about. All right. We got, oh, a dope. Woo. A book. Has the Kyrie insignia on it. It looks like for taking notes. It's pretty cool. Nice. Oh, masterclass. Now you might notice there's like a lot of little chips and flakes and stuff in there that are like brushing off the stuff. Because the story behind that is actually that this shipped, I won this last year and it shipped earlier, but the box broke. And I guess that's what all the little chips and stuff in here are. And Nike was so dope and Finishline was so dope that they got me a replacement box before it shipped. You can't, it don't get no better than that because this box is fire. I'm definitely keeping it. All right, so what we got here? Oh. Wow, okay. Oh, wow, dope. So this is a free 1-year subscription to Masterclass. Now, you might ask yourself, why is this in a Kyrie box? Well, that's because if y'all didn't know, Kyrie is all about bigging up the youth, is all about getting people to that next level and educating people who may not have the means to educate themselves and get to that next level. He actually started a business on it, I believe. You can fact check that yourself. So shout to Kyrie, always trying to get people to that next level. I'ma definitely cash that in. And we got, this is dope. Shake it out, it's kind of, oh, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was. Whoa. That's cool. We got, oh, okay. Kyrie Irving insignia, little wooden box here. And inside, Polaroid now. I admit that's a little weird, but hey, I mean, look, make some memories, right? Is this the little, let's see, hold on. Let's see something. Is this the little tiny camera that makes a little tiny, yeah, okay. All right, so it's kind of like a Polaroid. I don't know how big Polaroids are today, probably a little smaller than they used to be back in the day. But you know what this is for? This is for taking a picture of your sneakers and clipping this on the outside of the box so you know what sneaker it is before you walk up to the label. That's what this is for. Shout out to Kyrie. I mean, when I use up all the Polaroids, I'm definitely keeping this box too. This box is fire. You hear the quality? You hear the quality. Oh. And that's dope. These are handles. Oh. Okay. Yo, there's more. Okay, so we got 3 boxes in here. All right, box 1. It's like I'm uncovering the Kyrie buried treasure. Box number 1, okay. Okay, we got another one. Box number 2. This one's way heavier than that one. I mean, not super heavy, but definitely much heavier than that one. The first one's super light. Box 3, I mean, my spidey senses are tingling. This is a sneaker. This is a Kyrie 7. This is a Kyrie 7. All right, so you know I love me some sneakers. I'll take a free sneaker any day. Woo! Man, this is crazy. I don't know what else is in here. Hey, Kyrie, you left me a note in here or something? What else? Oh, nope, end of box, end of box. All right, so we got 3 more things to open. And I got this fire box to keep. Okay, so that's about it for this video. You know, I'm sorry to leave y'all hanging, but I feel like those 3 boxes probably need their own video. Thanks for sticking around with me as I open the 1 of 1. I think this is like a 1 of 1 Kyrie Irving, Nike, and Finishline drop vault. Stay tuned. We're gonna drop the next video really soon. I'm telling you, really soon, because we don't want to leave y'all in suspense on those 3 boxes. I want to know what's in those 3 boxes. You feel me? So we're gonna drop that video really soon. Just don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss that video. That's gonna be the one. It gotta be some fire in there. Nothing that came out this box already has been signed. Something in these boxes has to be signed. All right, let's hope so. Until next time, be easy, my G.